Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm diving into something that could change your financial future. If you've ever thought about making passive income online but weren't sure where to start, stick around because I'm going to share the exact strategy I used to make my first earnings. And it's all thanks to Empire VIP Club. So, let's rewind a bit. A few months ago, I was just like many of you struggling to figure out how to make money online. I tried everything, from surveys to freelancing and even selling my own digital products, but nothing worked for me. I knew I needed something different. Then I stumbled upon Empire VIP Club, a game changer. It's a simple, automated system designed to help people, just like you and me, earn passive income. And the best part? You don't need to be an expert or have a lot of experience to get started. Here's how it works. Empire VIP Club offers training, tools, and a proven strategy that sets you up for success. Whether you're a complete beginner or have some experience, it walks you through everything you need to know. And the system is designed to generate passive income. So once it's set up, it practically runs on autopilot. I know it might sound too good to be true, but I've seen it work firsthand. I started seeing results just a few weeks after joining. But don't just take my word for it. Check out the link in the description and see for yourself. If you're ready to take control of your financial future and start earning passive income, don't wait. Sign up for Empire VIP Club for only $1 today using my link. You won't regret it.